Hi, this is Dave Philippi with FabCAD, and I want to show you a few more cool tools. So I'm going to click on the stair rail program here, and one of the things we've added is the option for different left posts and right posts. So we want to put a strap on this end here, so we just did a rectangular bar and keyed in the size that we needed. Since it wasn't in this list, we just used the other option to create that. You can also later on add this if you want to the pull down list. Okay, then we go into the stair dimensions here, and this is going to dead into a ceiling, so we're setting the height here at 24 inches and the railing here at 36. Now, if I happen to leave something blank when I go to draw, the blank area lights up, so I don't have to search around as much. The yellow highlight makes it easier to find. So I just type my length in here, and I have bend options for the top. I click bend, and I got stringer bend, and I also have regular bend. What it looks like when I draw this is there's a rail, and it dead ends into the ceiling like that. As we demonstrated before, you can easily fix the ends of them. So if I wanted to have this strap go all the way to the top, I could do that, extend it to there, and do the trim the top bar back, click it there, and it gives me a nice neat joint at the top. I can also trim off the bottom of this strap if I don't want it to go all the way down. I can have a dead end right at the bottom like so. And also if I want to touch it up additionally, I set it for a butt joint because of the strap. If I don't want a butt joint at the bottom, I want to miter it, then I use the R-fillet command here and create my miter joint at the bottom. We've also created top views for grab bars. So let me go in here to the templates and let me do a handrail only, load it. And here at the bottom, I can put the clearance I want from the wall for 1.5. And then the return radius, normally it's 3. There's a help button here that pops up. If you don't want a return, you just type in 0 for no return. So I'll just click OK there. And when I click draw and draw this, it gives me the elevation view I've had before. And of course, you notice that the elevation, the lines here are different colors. We have layer controls now. And you notice at the top, you have a plan view of the handrail with the wall return. On the level rail, we've added a couple new options. You can turn off the pickets. You're going to put panels in here or glass or mesh. And then you'll click off the bottom rails if all you want is the top bar and the posts. Saves a little extra time when you're detailing horizontal rails this way. We've also added plan views of base plates and rail extensions on each end. On border dimensions and gates and fences, we now set the dimensions so that there's a daylight opening between the top bar and the secondary top bar, and the bottom bar and the secondary bottom bar. And the offset distance is the actual daylight opening, not top to top. Makes it a little simpler to figure out what you need to do there. Also, check out our customize options in part 3 of the series on what's new in the latest FabCAD. Thank you. Bye.